Hello humans, and welcome to Plants Per Serving. If this is your first time here, go ahead, subscribe, and ring that bell so you know when the new meals are dropping. Stick around to the end of this video, got a pretty sweet giveaway going, and you don't want to miss out. Alright, Thanksgiving is coming up, so we're going to put the celebration roast to the test. Will it pass or will it fail? While we're at it, we're going to do a little creamed spinach and sweet potato to get ready for those side dishes that everybody loves. Alright, the package says that you can eat this cold, so we're going to try it cold. The package also says that you can just microwave it, so we're also going to just microwave it. The package also suggests that you can baste it, so that is going to be our main form of cooking this today. And finally, it says that you can pan fry it, so we are also going to try and pan fry the field roast. Alright, so when we first open this up, like the first 2 seconds, it really does kind of smell like turkey, which is nice, but like after that fades, it kind of gives you like this weird like soy dog smell. It just smells really fake, and then tasting it cold, also very, very gross, to be honest. Alright, so next up we microwave it per the package instructions. It gets a little darker, but still tastes pretty gross in my opinion. So let's get to the basting. So we're going to put this in a pan. We're also going to do our sweet potatoes here, and what we're going to do is we're going to baste this with a chicken broth that I made. It's not chicken broth, it's a no chicken broth, and that's coconut oil that you're seeing in there. I've added some other herbs and spices, some liquid smoke, but I use it to do a tofu fried chicken, and it tasted just like chicken. So the theory should go that this would baste, taste, and come out tasting quite poultry. Alright, so we're roasting this in the oven. We're taking it out the baste every 15 minutes or so. I did it about 45 minutes at 450, I believe. And now that the potatoes are done, the field roast is smelling quite good, to be honest. Alright, so the creamed spinach, this is just a 10-ounce frozen package. Cook it up per the instructions, then add this silken sour cream ranch mixture that my wife made. It's so good. If you want to see a video on that, let me know. Added some nutritional yeast as well, and just kind of cook that down. It's looking good. Alright, we're going to take our field roast out of the pan, and we're going to plate it up with the creamed spinach sweet potato and give it a taste. And let me tell you, it's disgusting. I cannot begin to describe how terrible it is. So we're frying it now in the frying pan, and give it a little olive oil, you know, couple minutes on each side till, I mean, now it's actually looking good, right? Like, I would want to eat this. Well, let me tell you again, no, it's terrible. This gets the big fat fail from Plants Per Serving. Sweet potato and cream spinach though, delicious. I definitely would put that onto the Thanksgiving menu. I hope you guys enjoyed my little test of this celebration roast, because I actually did not. Let's get into the giveaways. Thug Kitchen 101, this book is awesome. I'm going to be giving one away at the 500 subscriber mark. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell, and we will see you guys next time. Thanks, y'all.